guide you to make multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. For that, let's hop into the YouTube. From there, you need to tap on your profile and it will show you list of options here. Let's say you need to go for YouTube Studio, or otherwise you can directly go for settings. And in the YouTube Studio, if you tap on that, and here you can scroll to find the settings, and from here you need to tap on the channel. After that, you can tap on advanced settings. You can scroll all the way down to find manage YouTube account. From here it will take you to the page where you can access your settings. So let's say if you are tapping on the settings again, here the settings, and it will show you this page only for that. And let's say if you need to create a new channel, you need to find create a new channel. Let's say I'm having a single channel, so for that it is showing me create a new channel. Let's say if you are having multiple channels already and now you need to create another one, you could find add or manage accounts. From there you can tap on that and it will ask you for selecting any of the name. Let's say you can type a name like myself, Mina. From there you can tap on the handle and that will be automatically created, or otherwise you can go for changing that. And let's say if you tap on create channel, that would be created. This is how you can create multiple channels with one Google account. Thank you.